Welcome to the first annual gift exchange. Yeah!
Woo!
Does everyone have their presents?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I got mine.
Right
I got mine right here. Right here's mine.
So this year is the first annual gift exchange. As we all know, we've never done this, and
we're gonna make it a little special. We're gonna open these gifts in order. Number 1 is Brian. Number 2, Gracie. Number 3, Brittany. Number 4, Harry. Number 5, Kyle. Number 6, James. Number 7, Stacy. Number 8, Kai. Number 9, Jim. And number 10 is Michael. If you draw the white elephant card from your package, you will be eliminated. Begin.
I'm Brian. I guess I'll go first. Oh, please. Oh, please, God. Oh, God. Oh, holy shit! Holy shit! I got a PS5. Holy shit!
Number 1 is safe.
I got an iPhone 13. I just got a new MacBook Pro. I just got a new Gucci sweater. An Apple Watch. Holy crap! A flat screen TV. I just got 5,000 V-Bucks.
Kai,
Yeah.
it is your turn. Open your present.
Okay.
What was it? Come on, you gotta tell us.
It was a gift card. It was a $25 gift card.
Where to?
Walmart. It's to Walmart.
What a nice gift. Are you sure you're not lying to me?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I think you're lying.
No, it was a gift card, I swear.
I don't think there was a gift on that card.
Yeah, it was a gift card.
I doubt it. Liar.
No, I'm not. It was a Walmart gift card.
The bombs will be detonated in 5 seconds.
Oh, shit.